I'm also being joined by Shatabdi Roy, who is a Rebel TMC MP with the Lok Sabha. Thank you very much for joining us. My first question, why are you making this move, ma'am? 2009 onwards, it's been a long journey with Mamata Banerjee that you've had. It's not just a recent development. 2009, you've been an MP 4 times with the TMC. Long road that you've traveled with her. Why this move now? Why rebellion now?
First of all, that time, 2009, my party was not in power. But fourth time is not a matter of joke. But I think whatever I have, whatever I have complained, maybe it's a agitation, whatever all the thing I follow. But after four, that day we made the Mamata Banerjee, it was my expectation was that Didi just call us because of she wants to know what is the reason of defense. But that day she don't allow to speak anyone, and it was after disaster of our party. They don't accept that we are defeated. If it is not, then how we will survive, and what is the reason of the party? What who want to do anymore? And what is the reason if you don't know how and why we are defeated? Then why you are how we were surviving next few days or few years or after a long time?
So, is this about survival? Is this about ideology? Because at the end of the day, if you all are joining the NDA, moving towards the BJP, where is the ideological difference? Is this just opportunism? Is this just survival mode?
No, it's not right. Because of if 2 or 3% are gone, then you can say they are Gaddar, they are opportunist. But if in assembly, it's a 80 MLAs was now 62 are different block. They are making the different block. And same thing happened in the Lok Sabha. If the 3 or 7 MPs are there, if it is a opposite, then you can say they are opportunists. But no, it's a it's a reason we are in the same boat because we are feeling same thing. It's not we are a relative, we are a brothers, sisters, and mother, fathers. It's not. We are came from the different fraternity. If we are in the same condition, mental status, and we feel the same problem, then it's a fault of Mamata Banerjee or the party's fault. They should addressing before this incident.
So, Shatabdi, you have been somebody who's very close to Mamata Banerjee. Tell us what's happening. What's really happening? Why this rebellion? Tell us your perspective. Why is this happening?
They first of all, it's a corruption everywhere. It's a corruption. If you say you don't know that, no, 20% we knows that time, and we want to express our opinion to Mamata Banerjee, but she ignored us first before the election. Before the election, I think I want to speak to her because about my constituency. Then her officer called me up and asked me what is the subject. Just think about it. I am the fourth-time MP. I can't say anything about my constituency, and I don't give her any suggestion to her. And secondly, if you say I am the closer to Mamata Banerjee, then it's a different both sides. If that was my personal problem also, it was not. It was my constituency problem. Then he called me and asked what is the subject. I refuse that I don't want to talk to her next. But it's a problem. If you feel no, it's not a problem. If it's your excuse, no, not at all.
Okay, so when did you try contacting Mamata Banerjee? Before elections? After elections? When?
I think maybe 10 years, maybe 5 years, I feel she not love her party anymore.
Okay, so you're saying what's really the trouble with Mamata?
Otherwise, it's a reason because if Abhishek is a very smart guy, he's intelligent. If his intelligence and new generation innovation ideas and Mamta Banerjee's experience, if mixed up, then it will be very good. But Mamta Banerjee, everything he gave to the Abhishek, it's a wrong decision. And Abhishek Banerjee gave to iPad to everything, not the cadre of Trinamool. It's a wrong decision.
So what?
No, she should change her uh, uh, arrogancy and she should change her ideas right now because of she knows everyone left her uh, because of her decision. And right now, I tell you one thing. I am emotionally attached to Mamata Banerjee. I am, and I will be. But decision as a decision maker, and now I think she is a Dhritarashtra.
So what next, Shatabdi Roy? What next?
Because you think about that. Everyone, if everyone said same thing, if everyone said same thing, you have to accept problems. You have to rethink about that problems. And if you flexible and you are Mamata Banerjee is so intelligent and so political, so good leader. She can think about, but she can flexible. She knows pulse of people. So this time, in this case, what is happened? I don't know. Now we are in a separate group. Now it's a symbol of protest. We are not the same in with the same party. We are a different block. But after that, I don't know. Time will say.
So, so when you say we're not with TMC, you are with the NDA. You've showed a whole lot of statements. A whole lot of statements from you all saying that you would want to associate with the NDA. Indirectly, directly with the BJP, as it were. NDA is nothing but the BJP as well, the extension of BJP plus, if we really have to say. So basically, going the BJP NDA way, isn't it?
I don't know right now. I'm blank. I don't know. But I don't think it's not possible. If she wants that, before that, she could call up and talk to at least with Shatabdi Roy, she can talk to. With the assistant or with anybody others, she called me up, but not directly. I feel for her.